Chiclet Facial. So let's get started with this week's first launch. The first launch is with the Apple releasing their online store in India. With online store, Apple has done a wonderful job in covering all the aspects of providing the features available on their market directly from Apple. So let's go through the website and see what Apple is to offer for the Indian customers. So first let's see what are the delivery options. So it is free of cost, delivery will be free of cost across India, so no extra charges will be done by Apple. That's great. Next we can see how we can pay. This is a very good options. We can pay by EMI because it's gonna burn a hole with the new things coming in, the new product launches. So yeah, EMI is a good option. We have got credit cards, all the things are being there. So there is an option for students as well as for the educational purpose. So we've got some subsidy for that. So let's wait for how it goes. Let's see what are the cashback. So yes, we have got this HDFC cashback of 6%. So yeah, that will be there. That is there across other options as well. So we've got the no cost EMI as well. We have got the American Express. They've got a lot of cards as well. Let's see what are the cards available. So we've got all the options. So we have got, yeah, so there's again a thing called Apple Trade-in, which is similar to as exchange offer, which we usually get on the e-commerce sites while we are buying a new phone. It's similar to that, but it's more of a Apple thing inside of it. And not only iPhones, we can actually go ahead and put like you can exchange it for the Android phone as well. That is awesome. Being India and Android market, so people will be switching from Android to iOS. So Android is an option. So they have got a lot of options for Android as well. Not really sure how much they're gonna pay. So there's a set of expected thing, but again there are terms and conditions. The display and all the things should be in place, and we'll get into in details like how they're paying it and if it is good for us. Next we have got the amazing launch from Ring, which is from Amazon. Ring introduced new Ring drone security cam known as the Ring Always Home Cam. Always Home Cam is a flying camera drone that docks when it isn't in use. So Ring was a startup back in 2014 where Amazon has acquired it a few times back. So it is at a starting price of $250, which is around 18,500 rupees. Next we have got the 4th generation Amazon Echo series, which has been launched recently with the Echo, Echo Dot with clock and Echo Show. So with Echo Dot and Echo Dot with clock, we have got the similar price like the 3rd generation when it was launched. Even with the Echo, it was launched at similar price in India. We've got the Echo Show, which is still being in held. It has not been launched in India yet. So it has got a lot of features with Amazon A21 neural chip and with Dolby sound as well as with the dual Wi-Fi system. So Echo Show will be around $250. Still, it is not being launched in India, so we're expecting it later this year. Next, we have got a wonderful truly wireless earphones from Jabra, which is Jabra Elite 85T. With the success of Elite 65T and Elite 675T, Jabra Elite 85T is nonetheless, it has got the ANC built-in for the first time after with the competition from AirPods and other competitors. It has got 5.5 hours of battery life, 24 hours with the case, IPX rated, and it is a killer for the calls. And let's see how it started. With a starting price of $229, it's around 16,900 for India. Let's see how it goes. Next we have got wonderful Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, which is the colorful edition from Samsung. Samsung has just launched their Fan Edition with the competition from iPhone. We have got the iPhone 11 with the colorful edition. We have got the S20 FE with the colorful edition. It has got all the features as S20, but however, few of the features has been ramped down to keep it on the price. At a starting price of $699, which is around 51,400, this is being a killer with the top-notch processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC. We've got almost everything just with the camera and few of the features. It is still on the it has got the FHD screen compared to S20 Quad HD. Still a killer deal.